Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to turn any PDF into high-quality JPG images on your Mac using I Love PDF. No downloads or installs required. Let's dive in. First, open Safari or your favorite browser and navigate to ilovepdf.com/pdf to JPG. I'll leave the website link in the description. Once the page loads, click Select PDF Files and choose the document you'd like to convert. You'll see a blue upload bar as your file transfers. Feel free to grab a quick coffee while you wait. When the upload finishes, you'll see two conversion modes: Page to JPG, which turns each PDF page into its own JPG file, or Extract Images, which pulls out every embedded image as a separate JPG. Pick the option that fits your needs. Next, choose your image quality: Normal for standard output, recommended for a balance of file size and clarity, or High for the sharpest, highest resolution images. Then click Convert to JPG. In just a few seconds, your PDF pages or images will be converted. Click Download JPG Images to save a zip of all your new JPGs to your Downloads folder. Open the zip and you're ready to use your images anywhere. And that's it. Fast, free, and entirely online with I Love PDF. If this tutorial helped you out, hit like, subscribe for more simple Mac tips, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.